Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna show you the walkthrough of this Active Directory basic from TryHackMe. So let's begin. So this is gonna be on task 4 because this is very important because you are able to change the user as well as delete group, right? So at first step, you have to delete a section. So here it shows, let's read. First, you have a new domain controller is to check existing Active Directory and user some recent change. So I just want to walk through this. So you can just so it just says you go on advanced feature, right? So you are on an advanced feature. So if I just remove it, so that would be your default file structure. Now I can just go on advanced feature, right? And then it says to remove the protect object from deletion. So that means we can't delete it. So what I want to do is be like this on this folder DHM. So I just want to go on properties, right? Then I'm gonna be on my object. So here protect object. So there is another folder. So I have already deleted it. So if you find other than this folder, then you have to do that process on that. After doing that, right? So you can just delete it. So we are assigning the role of deleting or changing password. So for this, we are using this cell, right? Cell and cell department, and we are going to delegate control. So we are gonna be on next. So we are using the add, then so it's the name is gonna be a Philip, right? So let's just use PHLLLIP. So we can just do check name. So we have that user. So we can just do OK, right? And after doing that, then we can do next. So we can give a permission to reset user password and force password to change at next logon. So we can just do take on it, then the next. So now this user get a permission. So let's do finish. Now that's it for now. All right. So we know the Philip password is Clara 2008. So right now, if we just open our PowerShell on this PowerShell, so if I just open it, then I'm at administrator. So I want to be a user called Philip. So what I want to do is open attacker box, right? So let's wait for it to load. So it says it's connecting. So if I just cancel it out, right? So normally you'll go over here, go on access. I guess it's on internet. Then there is a Remy. So it says us to log in as Philip and change the password of Sophia. So in order to do that, we just have to do so there is no password for it, right? So we can just cancel it. Then you have to use this IP address 10 dot 10 dot 103.85 as the IP address. And what we want to do is to just enter it, right? And now we got to log in as a user Philip. So we can do PHILLIP and then CLAIRE 2008. Then let's do enter. Now we are inside the user called Philip. So we just wanna do PowerShell over here. So let's open our PowerShell. So what I'm gonna do is just type it. So I think I can type it right. ADACCOUND. So you can copy paste the command, but I don't like it. I just wanna type it. It just take me a few seconds for that. So I could do password. So I'm just typing that same command which that's given. So it just basically tells so this is for changing the command, right? And we can do dash as SECURESTRING, then PROMPT. So it's gonna prompt the new password. So I guess that's gonna be wrong. So we could do NEW password. So then what we wanna do is for both that will show. So let's do enter. So what's our password gonna be is uh password, right? 12 at the rate capital S. That's gonna be the password. Let's do enter. So it says the new, so there is spelling error. So let me get back. So my password is over here, WORD. Let's do enter. Then password 12 at the rate S. Now password has been changed. Now we don't want a user, this Sophia user, to use the same password as we change the password, right? So I want that user to change that. So they want that user to change their password. For that, we use this command called set add user, capital add user, then it's gonna be a CHANG change password add. So it is gonna be log on. Then we are using making it true. Then identity, yes, and Sophie. That's the password. That's the user. Then let's do verbose. Then let's do enter. So what I made is, so change password again. My password, it should be password. So let's do enter. So that's it. Now let's go and log in with Sophie. So for that, we just go cancel it and come over at the start, right? Then go over here. Then let's do sign out for that. Then we log back into it. So let's do enter. Now, so our password was Sophie. And no, the user was Sophie, right? Sophie. That password was password 12 at the rate S. Okay, the user password must be changed before. Then let's do OK. Now here we have to scroll down. So you have to confirm it, double type our new password. So new password is gonna be simple, right? So let's do Philips, right? PHRLLIP 12 at the rate capital S, then PHILLIP 12 at the rate S. Then let's do, so if I just double check my password, so this is my password. So let's do identify. Unable to update the value, doesn't matter. Okay, so it says it does not remember my password. So what I'm gonna do is let let me reset the password for that. So it does. So what I was doing was password 12 capital F, and then it's gonna be pass, then 2008 at the rate F, pass, then 2008 at the rate S. So next password would be this pass 2000. That would work. Yes, it works. Then okay. So now we have our flag. That's it. Thank you guys. I hope it's helpful.